Your company launched a new product and your management has asked you to start sales immediately. What you have in place is a basic product overview and maybe a demo video of the product. And what you don't have is a pitch deck or a proper sales presentation. So what do you do? Do you wait for 1-2 weeks for the marketing team to create the deck and share with you? Or do you jump into building something yourself? Now consider one more scenario. You're also asked to launch ads for the same product. But there is no website or a landing page yet because the product and tech teams were focused on building the product. So again, what do you do? Do you wait for the full website to be designed and deployed or create a landing page and start capturing the demand? The question still remains as to whether you should push your sales timelines, pause your ad spends, or do you take control of your own pipeline? And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today as to how sales and marketing teams can use a tool like Figma to bridge the gap. Now, when you first sign on to Figma, what you are able to see is the community section wherein you can see what all things can be built on Figma, right from websites, UI, UX designs for mobile applications to presentations to content assets and more. Our objective over here is to see or use Figma from a sales and marketing standpoint and not as a designer or a developer standpoint. So the most interesting thing that Figma is offering over here for people who are non-designers is their Make AI, on which all you have to do is just put in a prompt for building a landing page or a website or a sales presentation or a pitch deck and use it exactly as per that to you. Now I've already created one wherein what I've done is I've given a complete prompt to Make AI to help me build a landing page for the company that I'm targeting. So if you can see over here, what I've asked it to do is create a one-pager website. I've given it different sections as to how should it look, what all things it should be included, and it has done the job for me. Then I can see over here that I have the hero section with the call to actions directly mentioned. I have who are the clients that I have so as to build the credibility. I've highlighted the quick features as well to ensure that okay, there is a quick hook also wherein anyone who is coming on from my ad campaign to this landing page gets to understand what is the benefit for them. Moreover, I have even added a couple of testimonials to further strengthen the credibility. And finally, there is a pricing part to make it much more clearer for the viewer to understand whether they would want to opt for this or not. So this is how I have built complete website or a complete dedicated product landing page within seconds using just this. Now the most interesting thing over here is what you get is the code of this entire landing page, which you can then give to your tech team to deploy on your servers. So this is how easy it gets to collaborate with tech teams coming from a marketing standpoint. Now, the thing over here is that, say, for example, you want to make edits to this website because, again, the content might differ and you might have a different positioning angle. So, what you need to do is all you need to do is just click over here and select which element or what do you want to edit over here. So, say, for example, if I want to edit the content over here, what I can do is either I can go to the code snippet, that is a source, and over here I have the text, so I can change that text itself. Or what I can do is that I can simply just select that element and over here in the chat box just ask the AI to make the changes for me. I can change the formatting of that particular text as well. And this is how I can make edits to that entire website. Now in terms of images as well, say for example, this is an image that's a stock image, and if I want to change this, I can simply ask it to change, or I can go to the source, or I can upload my own images and add as well. So this is how easy it has made for marketing teams to build landing pages on Figma using their AI capabilities. Next is a use case wherein we want to create a sales pitch deck. So again, we have followed the same thing wherein we have given it a prompt to build say a 7 to 8 slider pitch deck or a sales presentation for an expense management tool. And we have given it what all things do we want to cover in those slides. Like we want to cover the title slide, we want to cover the problem statement, the solution overview. What are the exact things that we would want to show to our prospects is what we have covered over here. And that's exactly what we can see is a very clean, minimalistic presentation that we have in place over here. And this is quite an interactive presentation which I can show to my customers in a virtual meet or during the in-person meeting and take them through this entire thing, showing them the capabilities of the expense management platform as well. Again, over here also, if I want to make changes to this, it becomes very much easy. Wherein all I need to do is just click over here and select which all elements do I want to make edits to. Like say, for example, let's say save 30% over here. I can make a change to that and show that what is the exact ROI that the company might be getting if they invest or if they purchase this expense management platform. So this is how you can create presentations also within seconds using this particular tool. So if you feel that the bottleneck you're facing in terms of content is something that you're depending on your marketing or content teams or the tech team or product team to build things for you, then that stops here. Because now using a tool like Figma, you can completely do all of that on your own. So that's about it. And if you found this video interesting, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos on how sales and marketing teams can use tools to make their lives easier and make things more productive.